Hi there, I'm Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Natalie Attired unboxing. I'm so pleased that you've joined me. If this is your first time visiting, please subscribe and join me again. On this channel, I like to try on clothing. So I order subscription boxes and I do online shopping. I do in-store shopping, all women's fashion. So join me again if you enjoy videos like that. Natalie Attired is a style subscription company, and I will leave all the information about Natalie Attired in the description box below. If you are interested in trying this service for yourself, there is also my referral. In this box is 5 clothing items, and there is no way to peek. I have no idea what is in this box, and I can't wait to break it open. Let's do it. This is what the box looks like. Oh, we have a note right on top, and there's our bundle. And this is a handwritten note. They're always handwritten, and this one says, "Hi Kelly, I'm helping Annie with her note. She chose a crop jumper that would look amazing with strappy heels or mules. She thought she'd switch it up and send bootcut pants. These ones are super soft and comfy and will look great with both tops. She also thought you'd look amazing in this dress. Enjoy." From Lindsay and Annie. Okay, so now we know what's inside the box. Inside the bundle, we have an invoice. I'll look at that later. There's the bundle. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, I like it. It looks nice, huh? Let's open it and see. There is a mailer included with this box in case there's anything that I want to return, and shipping is free both ways. First thing is, this must be the jumper. Yeah, this must be the jumper, and oh, I don't know. I like the color of this, but this is by Lis, and this is just the sleeveless jumper. Guys, it's open in the back. You see how that goes in the back, and there's a tie around the waist, and these are the kind of the big flared legs, and so this would be okay if we didn't have all that going on. I think I'm gonna try it on. I've never tried on anything like this, but other than the color, this does not seem like fall to me, and so right off the bat, I'm not liking this. Next up, we have a dress, and this is by Skies Are Blue. Okay, I don't know what to think about this one either. So we have a V-neck that I like, and it's a faux wrap dress. There is a hidden zipper in the back and kind of a flutter sleeve. It's a horizontal stripe in some bold fall colors. And is it lined? It is lined, so score. This dress, I don't know. We'll try it on, but this looks like a work dress to me, and I don't have a job where I would wear a dress like this, so it's okay. Let's see how it looks on, and if this would be a nice addition to my wardrobe. This is Velvet Heart, and this is a tie neck, and then we have that cutout there. And this is kind of a plum color with that white print on it. It's a long sleeve with a cuff and a rounded hemline. This feels like a rayon fabric. Now, I like this. I don't know how the bow's gonna look. I like this one. It's kind of an unusual piece. Then we have a Renee C top, and this is kind of in a rust color, and there's some blue in the print. No. Do we have a tab sleeve? We've got a kind of an interesting, okay, that sleeve has a bit of like ruching on the bottom of the sleeve, so to create maybe a 3/4 sleeve. There is a cutout in the front. Okay, we've got Liverpool, and we know they're bootcut, and that's what they're called, the Liverpool bootcut. I like these. You know how much I like these? I already have these. Yes, I think I got these in a wantable last year, or it could have been a Stitch Fix that sent me these last year. I love them. They are a pretty nice boot cut, and I've got a lot of wear out of them, but you know what? They wear so well. There's nothing wrong with the ones I received last year, so These are going to be a hard pass only because I already have them. So what did you think? I think this was an unusual box. That's what I think. Very quickly, I'll go through each item, give you my thoughts on them and the prices. You guys have seen the prices. I'm looking at the prices for the first time. This is the jumper by Lis. This is $64. You know, I don't really understand why I got it. I don't feel like the way that it's cut. This feels like a summer outfit done in a fall type fabric. It just doesn't make sense to me. It's ill-fitting. The bottom fits okay. The top doesn't fit right. It falls off. I mean, I have to actually be going like this to make sure that the garment stays on. I couldn't adjust it to fit. It wasn't bra friendly. I had to adjust that several times. This is, I can't wear this. My husband laughed at me when he saw me in this. So I'm going to tell you, my husband is here and he gave me his opinions on each of the items, which has a big bearing on whether or not I purchase an item. Next up is this multi-stripe dress by Skyzer Blue. This is $64. This is a lovely dress. It's not necessarily a Kelly dress. And the reason being is because I don't have any place to wear this dress. If I did have an office job, I would be happy to wear it. There's nothing spectacular about this dress. It's a polyester dress or a rayon dress. I do like that it's lined. I just don't particularly care for the cut of the dress. When the waist is right under my bust, I don't think it's necessarily the best look on me. It really makes my top half look large. So this dress is a pass for me as well. The Liverpool denim, now these are only $79, and that surprises me because I normally pay $89 for Liverpool, so that's a super price. I really like these. I already have these. I did try them on for you. You know what? These are called the Lucy Bootcut, and that is the title of the bootcut jeans that I just purchased from my Stitch Fix. They were the Lucy split seam bootcut jeans. So I just got another pair of Lucy's, but these Lucy's I bought last year, and I do like them. If you are interested in these, just know that they run really long. You have to wear a high-heeled boot or high-heeled shoe with these bootcut jeans. The next top is the Renee C top. I like this top. I like it an awful lot. In fact, I think that I have probably purchased every Renee C top that I've ever been sent. I just like the designer. I think she does it pretty well. This is just a simple top. The keyhole is kind of cute. The sleeve detail was interesting. Guys, it was tight around my hips. So if I did a front tuck with this every single time I wore it, it's going to be just fine. But any other way, it's too snug around my hips. This is only $32, and I think that is a wonderful price, but I am limited to the way that I can wear this blouse because it is snug around my hips. So for that reason, this is a pass. The last item is this little top by Velvet and Heart. And this one is 100% rayon. It's also hand washed. So rayon shrinks and you have to be really careful with the washing. Rayon also wrinkles, so this will require ironing. And this necktie, this is kind of throwing me. I didn't care for it in a bow around my neck. I really didn't care for it hanging low. The only way I liked it was flipped behind my shoulder so I couldn't see it, but truly, that's no way to wear a blouse that's designed to be tied around your neck. This one also felt like it was maybe a wee bit short. This is only $49. I think it's lovely. I'm just not real crazy about it. You know what? I think I am going to send all 5 pieces back. There is nothing in this box that I can't live without. There's nothing in this box that's terrible, but I won't miss any of it when I send it back. I won't be dreaming about it and wishing I had purchased it. So I will leave feedback for my stylist, let her know what I thought about all of the items, and hopefully hopefully, fingers crossed, my next Natalie Attired box will be more successful than this. Could you give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below? Let me know what you think about the jumpsuit, the dress. Would you wear that dress to work? Do you have a job where you could actually wear that? I look forward to your comments. Return in 2 more days. I have boxes and boxes to unbox. As we are packing boxes, I am unboxing packages of clothing to share with you. So please return in just a couple days to see my next unboxing. Until we meet again, blessings to you.